First, head over to Sweezy Cursors. It is a super cool site packed with thousands of free static and animated mouse cursors. You will find them in Kerr and Annie formats, perfect for Windows. Take your time browsing through the collections. Once you spot a cursor you like, go ahead and click that Download for Windows button. It will download a zip file with everything you need inside. Once it is done downloading, just extract the contents to any folder you like. Inside, you will see all your new cursor files. At this point, feel free to delete the zip. You will not need it anymore. Now let us get your new cursor set up. Click the Start button on your taskbar, then open Settings. In the search bar at the top, type Mouse Settings, and from there, click on Additional Mouse Settings. In the window that pops up, go to the Pointers tab. Click on Normal Select, then hit the Browse button. Find the folder where you saved your cursors. Hit your favorite arrow style file and click Open. Next, do the same thing for the Link Select option. That is the hand pointer. Browse, choose the hand cursor you like, then click Apply, and finally, OK. And that is it. You have now got a fresh new look for your mouse. In this example, it's a slick animated arrow with a rainbow outline. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.